Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Tyler. Welcome to my channel. This video is regarding this YouTube tutorial, full stack development with Java, Spring Boot, React, and MongoDB for course provided by Free Code Camp. I guess you have followed this video, and you must be in the same position as me. When I followed this video, I found there are some stuff that doesn't work. At the end, after my research, I found solutions. So basically, in this video, I'm gonna point it out all the problems that doesn't work in this video and provide solution. I hope this is gonna be helpful for you. Okay, let's get started. So, the first issue I encounter is the Ngrok issue. So basically, after finishing the code in this page, Axios config JS, and then I save the page and run the page. npm start. Then as you can see, like the page doesn't work. If I check the more tools, developer tools, and then I see this arrow, access to HTTP blah 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 has been blocked by course policy. I guess many of you have encountered the same issue as me, and now I'm gonna show you how to solve this issue. Okay. So, first of all, I want to tell you why this issue show up. So basically, the issue is in this link, and this link is currently pasted directly from the GitHub of the video creator. However, we need to update this link from our side to make a new link to expose our local host to the rest of the world. So how can I do that? First of all, I need to go to, I'll just type Ngrok. Well, go to Google and search Ngrok. And then go to this website. This is my computer, and then go to get Ngrok, download. Since my computer is Mac, so I click Mac. I need to download a zip file. As you can see, the zip file has been downloaded in my download folder. And now I open my terminal. I need to make the the CD, the directory, to be the same as the folder that hold this Ngrok file, which is download in my case. So I basically drag download after the CD I just typed, and I click enter, and then I was right in this folder that holds Ngrok. And then I come to this website. I will put this the link of this website in the comment section. In this website, I need to grab this line of code and paste it in my terminal, and then I hit enter. I need to like put my password, and then I need to go back to this website and copy this line of link and paste it here. However, I need to change like 3000 to 8080 since the backend of the movie, the local host, is in 8080. So you need to change it to 8080 to make it work. Once you hit enter, then it will generate this little window for you, and you need to grab everything from HTTP to APP, and then go back to your base URL and paste it. Please don't miss the slash at the end. After this, we can run again to see if it's gonna. Oh, sorry, I forgot to save. I need to save, and then we type npm start. As you can see, everything works. Well, what I did is for like MacBook. I guess the way to make Ngrok work for Windows system is slightly different, but I believe there are like way more resources online for Windows system regarding Ngrok than for Mac system. But the way to solve this problem should be similar. Okay.